In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell free ebook or free PLR ebook on eBay and make money from it. Yes, you can make money online by selling free ebook. In this video, I'm going to specifically talk about eBay. This is my proof. I sold one ebook yesterday and I have two ebook at the moment listed on eBay. You can do this worldwide. You have to be in a specific country in order to do that. eBay is available and eBay is getting millions of free traffic every single month. People are looking to buy different things. I'm selling different things here. I also sell my ebook on here. Two of those ebook is already listed here. So this system works 100%, and there are certain issues on the eBay when you're listing your ebook. I will talk about that. This is why this is a full tutorial. So if you want to make money by selling this kind of ebook, watch the video until end for the full tutorial. If you miss in the middle, you're gonna miss a specific setting on eBay listing where I can show you to avoid a problem like this one. If we sell an ebook here, definitely you're gonna get this message that it will say that you can't sell ebook or digital delivery items on eBay. But people are still selling ebook like this one here, you can see, and they are getting without any issue. I'm gonna show that simple setting that everyone forgot about it, and it will save you a lot of time and energy, so you can sell lots of ebook and make money from it. Before watching this video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon, and don't forget to click the like button on the bottom of the video. If you like the button, you have a chance to win £10 giveaway. So watch the video until the end for the giveaway information. So this is one of ebook I want to sell. So after listed and everything, I'm getting this issue. Normally I know the way around to resolve this problem, but lots of people are asking how they have an issue, they can't sell it on eBay. First of all, what you have to do is go ahead on eBay and create a free account. It doesn't matter where you live, you can create an eBay account and you can sell it from different part of the country. You can even see from people from China, they're selling items to UK and USA. But this is the digital delivery, so it doesn't matter where you live, you can create this account. It's free and it's work worldwide, and you can make money every single day. So after you create this eBay account, you have to go to the website called IDPLR, or you can go to weekly resale, right, or different PLR website. I recommend IDPLR, which is a little bit expensive, but you can still get up-to-date PLR ebook here. So this is the ebook I want to do. This is only 1 month old, and it started, you can see lots of people are started selling on this same ebook here. So to make it easy, I'm going to show this the method I follow, so you can follow with different ebook. So after you find the ebook that you want to do, click download button. It will download and you can extract the file that contain ebook and graphic cover and everything. After you done that, say copy this title and search it on eBay that you want to sell. You can see these people are selling this ebook for different price: $297, $499, and $228. If you come to bottom, $156 and $318. Well, this is the lowest price. The two of them are there, but this is the lowest price. So what we have to do is right click and open that, and we open this one also. After you open that, what you have to do first, go to the image. Under the image, you can select sell it yourself. So click this button called sell it yourself. It will take you to a selling page automatically, and avoiding the process of selecting category and everything. Now once you've done that, your title is gonna look like this. You automatically will pull the title, but there's just two things you need to worry about here: the category, because these ebook are listed under this category, you can go with that. But because it's the fitness and related, so eBay already have the fitness and supplement category. If we don't have that category, if you have any issue, it will show like this message, or where you have to go and select this category here. You have to go to the books and comics and select non-fiction. If this category won't allow to list your ebook, and you can go ahead and select this simple category called books and comics. Under that, select non-fiction. Okay, so let's see, we go through the entire process. Let's see what issue we having. After we done that, what you have to select condition new, and EA, it has a ISBN EA number does not apply. Now you add all the images for that ebook. So go to the download file, select the graphics section here, and e-cover, and the books, select that. And after that, if you go down to the bottom, you can automatically add the brand, or if you don't, you can allow that. And this is the section, its product is saying ebook, leave that. I think this is the issue will come in the end. So you go down the bottom. Okay, there's nothing here to change, everything is same because we are selling the same ebook. Go down to the bottom. Now what you have to do, copy and paste certain things here that avoid the mistake of people thinking this is a physical product. So you can go to my listing. I put the I can put those informations on Google Drive, so you can go and download that information. So for example, you have to mention this is a digital delivery here. You have to put that in a title. The first sentence or second sentence is fine. When you're listing on ebook, put it there, and after that, in the end, you need to put this delivery and the feedback, and also to mention that you have a resale right for this ebook, so you can avoid copyright mistakes and everything. Now what you have to do, once done that, copy and paste the brief description given by PLR website, copy that and paste it here. That's done. After that, select the price. Again, the lowest price 156, we can go with 140, and sell quantity, go with, don't put 120, just put 10, 12 is fine. Select your PayPal address here, and here what you have to do, domestic postage, select same cost for all the buyers, and select the faster delivery and put free postage for the customer. And also dispatch time is 1 working day, because it's an ebook, you can dispatch it within 2 to 3 hours. And international postage, select cost for all buyers, same cost for all buyers, and post worldwide, and select the delivery method, and the price set to 0. And also you can add as international site visibility, which means your listing will be displayed in top for this category, but you have to pay extra for that. Don't select that. And if you come down promote listing, if you click that, it will put your listing in front of all this ebook you can see here. So these are the ebook people are selling same ebook, right? But in eBay gonna put your ebook on top of every other ebook in top because of sponsor ad, and you're gonna pay only 8 cents for that. Okay, so select that. If you don't want it, don't select it, and click display with fees. Let's see what happens if you are getting the same issue or not. Sometimes it will go through fine, but sometimes it will issue. Okay, this ebook is no issue with that, it will go through is fine. I don't know why other ebook is causing that. Now since this is the second ebook, I have the issue with it, right? I have an issue that says they are saying I can't list this ebook on eBay. Now what I have to do, when you come to bottom, this you can resolve this issue by couple of things. First, on the title, never put ebook on there. So if you see my grab title here, okay, this is a grab psychedelic diet digital book. Okay, never put ebook, don't mention ebook, because eBay algorithm is advanced, they will automatically know you are selling an ebook or not. So what I can do, so modern podcasting new, I select remove e on front of it, and book and PDF. This is the first thing. Second thing, on category, like I said before, go to category, select book and comics, and select non-fiction, and it will resolve the issue. And third thing you have to do is remove any ISBN, condition is new, same. And fourth thing, if we come down to bottom, there's a section called specific attribution. So it's a certain section that you can build select on each item in order to push your listing in front of others, because eBay have lots of information about the product, so they can push your listing in front of other people. So that's why people select the authors and the type of language, and where it's really something like that. But here, if you select this ebook, normally what people ebook category is not exist on eBay. So what people do, they just type the category here, like ebook here, and click add here. So it will add the ebook category automatically here. So unselect that, and if you come to description section and leave that ebook displayed. After you've done that, so what you have to do, come to the bottom and revise listing. This will resolve the issue automatically. So like I said, remove the ebook writing on, you can see success, your listing is updated, which means this is the thing I am talking about. Don't put ebook on the title, because eBay algorithm will know that you are selling ebook or not. So that's why you can put book and PDF in the bracket, or you can do like this one. The other ebook I listed here, you can see cap cycling values digital book. So these kind of words will be allow the listing to be listed automatically. But if you put ebook straight away in your listing title, it will block it. You can't list it on eBay. This is how you can resolve this issue and make money from it. This is the one of the easiest and the best ways, and the best way to make a passive income also, because you're gonna find a couple of ebook and list it on eBay, and you will sell today, tomorrow, year later, and you can still gonna make money from it, guys. So thanks guys for watching. For the giveaway, all you have to do, subscribe, press the bell icon, don't forget to click the like button. On the comment section, write I like this video and put your PayPal letters. So subscribe, press the bell icon, don't forget to click the like button, and on the comment section write I like this video. So I will pick a winner when this video get 100 likes. Until that, see you in next video guys. Thanks for watching.